Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, Peter, good afternoon. We are starting with revisions. I hope we did articles yesterday, if you all remember.
Yes, ma'am. We did.
Yes. So officially the syllabus of UT is done and I'll be taking up revisions only in this week because next week you've got your UTs. Today I picked up prepositions. The revision that we'll be taking up is for prepositions. You can see on the screen you have an exercise. You need to plan your answers for the first 5 sentences. Only the first 5 sentences. Don't write anything anywhere. Just plan your answers, then we'll discuss. Come on, children, your time starts now. Plan your answers for the first 5. Writing part we'll do once we discuss, not now. First 5, quickly. Those who finish can raise their hands so that I know how many of you are ready.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. First 5 sentences are done. You've joined us late. Let me tell you, those
I'm
who
done.
joined us. Good afternoon, all those who joined us. We are doing revisions.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm
ma'am.
done.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, those who joined me late. You have to prepare the answers for the first 5 sentences. You need not write anything as of now. We are doing revisions. This entire week, I'll take up revisions for the UPs now. So the first 5 sentences, prepare your answers. Do not write. Raise your hands so that I can start discussing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Devansh Verma is the first one to raise his hand. Yes, Viresh, followed by Jigyasa. Oh my God, Himanshu. Yes, somebody said, excuse me. Who was it, Gargi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is someone with my name.
Hmm?
Ma'am, someone else is also there with my name.
Oh, these days you become so popular, Gargi. I'll do one thing. There are 2 Gargis. How interesting. Let's talk to the other Gargi. Okay. Hello, Gargi. Which is the other Gargi left? Has the other Gargi left?
Ma'am, her audio is not connected.
Audio is not connecting. Okay, that's interesting. Just give me 1 second. Let me see. Okay, I thought we'll talk to the other duplicate Gargi also. Jujhar is there, Samarth is there, Parni is there, yes.
Ma'am, we have already done these sentences.
Basically, bache, okay, let me change the exercise. But since we have discussed the answers, the students who raised hands, let me discuss the answers with them. After this exercise, after 5 sentences, I'll change it better, don't worry. But since so many students have raised hands, let me ask them. And yes, the other Gargi is left or not? Just check out in the participants.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why did she leave, she or he? We should have chatted. Okay. You must try to live dash your income. Answer?
Within.
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 You see, I was right, dash all.
After.
After.
All.
He rested his bicycle, dash the wall.
Against.
Against.
Against them.
He spent many years, dash the people of Syria.
Among.
Among.
Although his last name is the same as not dash.
To.
Related.
To. With.
This book is intended dash beginners and high school students.
For.
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 I that
With.
yes, with. The students were shocked dash the news.
With the news.
At.
With.
The news or at the news.
I.
Only at the news or with the news.
With.
With the news.
At.
At.
At the news.
At the news. Which one is better, with or at?
Ma'am, with the news.
With the news.
With the news.
Yes, with. Shirley spent a lot of money dash cosmetics.
On.
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 No wasted time dash formalities.
On.
On.
In English, non-crucial formalities. That type of music is quite popular dash teenage boys and girls.
With.
For.
Yes,
With.
popular with. With popular word with. She's beneficent dash the poor.
For the poor.
For the.
For the poor.
Contrary shower custom. It is contrary dash custom.
Contrary to.
With.
Yes, it is contrary to. It is contrary to our custom. He's looking dash his reading glasses.
For.
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 The child is looking dash the pictures on the walls.
At the pictures.
At.
At.
Very good. Put yourself dash my place.
On my place.
On place.
In
On my place.
No, it is not on.
In my place.
Yes. Put
In
yourself.
my place.
Srijan provides his son dash money.
With.
With.
Very good.
With money.
An accident has happened dash that family.
With.
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 Very good. Dash the time being. I think you'd better not say anything.
For
to
the
her.
time being.
For.
the time.
For the time.
Good. Very good. Let's go further. It's always better to study vocabulary dash connection dash reading.
With and to.
In connection with reading.
No, someone else.
I'm with connection to reading.
Yes.
Connection to read.
With connection to reading. Mrs. Veronica is qualified dash teaching English.
For.
For.
Can we be sure dash is honesty?
Is honesty.
With.
Sure.
With. With.
No, not with.
Of.
Can we be
Of.
Of.
We generally take the off. We generally say, na, are you sure of this? Are you sure of that? So sure takes off beta. Next beta. What did Mrs. Tarun die dash?
Died off.
Of.
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 Side of.
Can we be sure this we did? Yes. Can we be sure dash is honesty?
Of is honesty.
Of.
Of.
Okay. It was dash my will.
Against.
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 Very good. I took my aging father dash the hand.
By.
Hmm?
By the hand. By.
By the.
He is different dash his mother.
From
From his mother. They like to sit dash the fire during cold winter season.
By
the
the
fire.
By the fire.
By the fire, very nice. She works dash her living.
For her.
For.
What does this mean? What does this sentence mean, children? She works for her living.
Work so that
Ma'am,
she
to
can
work.
survive.
She works to live.
That means she works money to live. Good. He suffers
Yes,
dash. He suffers dash headache.
From.
From.
First from.
Very good. From, he's suffering from headache. We say this also. He is dash royal blood.
He's of.
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 I'm off.
Very good. He's of royal blood. What does this mean?
Belongs to a royal family.
He
Royal
belongs to
family.
the royal family.
That he
Royal blood.
belongs
He
to a
belongs
royal
to a-
family.
Do you know somebody who belongs to a royal family? Or have you heard of someone who
Queen
belongs
Elizabeth.
I'm Savali.
No.
I'm Savali.
Who else?
Friends.
Beta? Prince. Okay. These are all foreign examples. Can you give me an Indian example? A person who belongs to royal family. Now, though, of course, we don't have any royal families. All royal families are gone. We just say they are. Who, beta? Saif Ali Khan. Very good. You gave a very good example. Who gave this example?
Ma'am, me.
Oh, yes, you are right. His ancestors were Nawabs. So obviously, we can say royal blood, that is royal family. Of course, we do not have any more Nawabs and kings now. Chalo, let's go further. They went so fast that I couldn't keep up, dash them.
With
With.
Very good, very good. I couldn't keep up with them. All men between 18 and 25 dash extraction are expected to serve in the army.
without.
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 Is content dash his very little salary.
With.
Is content in his.
In his. In his.
Yes. He's content in his very little salary or with his very little salary. I am contented with what I have. I am contented with whatever I have. So content, the better preposition goes is with. He walked dash the room dash which we were sitting.
Into the room in which we were sitting.
Go and in.
The rain was beating dash the windows.
Against.
Against.
It looks better dash a distance.
Better at a distance.
Very, very good. I have not done my exercise dash now.
Till.
Till now.
Till now.
Many students are so afraid dash failing that they deny all invitations during an exam.
Failing.
Of.
Off.
Of.
Yes, Peter. Excellent. It is off only. She took me dash my brother.
To my
With.
brother. To my brother.
Brother.
To.
Very good. It's too much. Yes. Let's continue. Things are going dash bad dash worse.
From bad to worse.
From bad to worse.
From bad to worse.
Very good. From bad to worse. Next, Vita. Let's do this. He is living dash his meals.
Within.
Within.
Very good. Means whatever he is earning, he is living in that. He had craving dash wealth.
Giving
For-
for wealth.
For wealth.
Wealth.
What do you mean by craving, children?
And that
Desire.
more money.
Strong
Desire.
Sometimes, very good. Sometimes in the evening, especially when we had a lockdown, बहुत मन करता है. Sometimes you want to eat golgappas, or you want to eat an ice cream, or you want to eat jalebi. That is what? That is a strong desire. That is known as a craving. She spoke dash a whisper.
In
In.
a whisper.
In a whisper.
In.
Very good. I shall be ready dash a moment.
In a moment.
In a moment.
In a moment.
Very good. He is an expert dash economics.
In
In
economics.
economics.
In economic.
In economics or expert of economics?
I'm off.
In.
I'm in economics.
Expert in economics. He's a man dash his 40s.
In his
On.
40s.
In.
Yes, beta, it is in his 40s. What does this mean? What does this mean?
He around 40.
Age of the man between the 40 to 50.
Yes, very good. The age is somewhere between 40 to 50. Very nice. Next, Megha. She rushed forward to help irrespective dash the consequences.
Of the
Of the consequence.
Okay. Now I'm going to change after this. I met Ajitesh yesterday, but I knew him long dash that.
Long before that.
Before.
long
Before.
that. Before that.
Last one. You'd better demand an answer dash that fellow.
From that fellow.
From that fellow.
Very good. He broke a loaf of bread, dashed 2 pieces and gave me 1.
Into.
Into.
Very good. So you had already done that exercise. So let's do this one. The first 5 sentences, you will only plan your answers. Options are not given to you. So let's plan. You can have more than 1 answers. And then later I'll give you time to write. As of now, do not write. Today we'll first just discuss the answer, and then later I'll give you time to write. As of now, do not write.
And the earlier we don't have to write.
The earlier exercise, so I think you had already done in your notebooks, the students told me, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have done it.
We have done that.
You already done that, so that PDF was done. But since there were some students who were not present that day on your admission, so I thought I'll do it once again. But otherwise, we have done that. So we need not write that. However, we'll write this. Please plan your answers for the first 10 sentences quickly. We'll discuss. Just raise your hands once you finish. Are you writing or you're just planning?
I'm planned.
Ma'am, planning.
Planning, na? No, don't write. Class tendency, do not write. I hope you know what topic we have taken up in grammar today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What is it? What is it?
Positions.
Prepositions. Very good. Plan your answers for the first 10. Raise your hand. Should we discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Start speaking. Let's start. One of you speak the first sentence. Let me see if others agree. One by one, you can start. Speak.
Which drawer did he put his clothes in?
If you disagree with the answer or you have a different answer, you can tell me. Otherwise, let's move on to the second one.
He is not a difficult man to work with.
Okay. If anyone disagrees with any of the answers, you need to tell me. Or if you have a different answer, continue, Vita.
Is this the house you read about in the newspaper?
Okay. Good. Third one. Next one. Move on to the next one.
She does not have enough money to live on for the rest of the month.
Okay. If you all agree with Tagi's answer, well and good. If you have a different answer, you can tell. Yes, children. Next.
Where did you think the voice came from?
The voices came from? Came from.
From. Very good. Where did the voices come from? Very nice. Okay, fine. Next.
This is the man I was speaking about.
Very good. Hurry up, beta. The class will get
Ma'am,
over.
I
Yes.
have written off
Where
for
is the
this.
type I usually sharpen my pencils with?
That is also correct. Speaking of is also correct. We can go for that also. Next, beta.
I wonder what she is getting for.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. Next.
We don't know what he is hinting to.
Very good. Very good. We don't know what he's hinting to. Excellent. Next one. Who is?
he angry about?
Yes. Who is he
Who
angry?
is he angry with?
Angry
Who
with
is
or
he
angry?
angry for?
Not for.
I'm angry
Who is
with.
with or who is he angry upon? Is he complaining dash again?
About
About.
About her again.
So as of now, we are not writing. Last 5 minutes or 7 minutes we take for writing. Please plan your answers for the second exercise. The writing part will be done later, beta, at the end, and then you'll post. Only those students, again, I keep reminding, will be marked present who will post. Search for answers.
Ma'am, at the end we have to post all.
Beta, don't worry. I'll give you time after
we-
2 exercises. After I finish 2 exercises, I'll give you time to write. Don't worry at all.
I had not written.
You don't have to write. When I'll give you time, that time you write. And that too only one-word answers. क्यों परेशान
Okay, ma'am.
होते हैं आप? Don't worry, इतना परेशान मत हुआ करिए. I'll give you sufficient time to write answers.
Okay, ma'am.
As of now, we'll only discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Raise your hands after you finish the second exercise. Yes, we are ready with the answers. Yes, children, let us discuss the answers of the second exercise. Only one child has raised hand. Never mind, do it together. The investigator went dash his employer.
to
With.
his, em-
To his employer.
to his employer.
It can be with also, it can be to also. Let us see आगे जाके what comes correct. Mr. Rajan, the name of the employer is Mr. Rajan. Dash his findings.
With
Or.
With his findings. So the sentence becomes the investigator went to his employer, Mr. Rajan, with his findings. The result dash his investigation
of his investigation.
of his investigation.
Very good. The result of his investigation caused the dismissal dash three senior persons.
Dismissal of
Dismissal of. A further inquiry dash the matter was ordered.
the
About
matter.
About the matter.
One of the dismissed men bore a grudge dash his employer.
For his employer.
of
On his
Of.
very good. Bore a grudge on his employer dash a long time.
For a long time.
For a long.
or
For a long time. Dash 2 years later,
can we do grudge of his?
grudge of his employer. नहीं
Yes,
बच्चा,
ma'am.
grudge के साथ तो on ही use करते हैं. Grudge on his employer for a long
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Dash 2 years later, dash 2 years later, he tried to hire someone to beat up Mr. Rajan.
About.
About.
About
About.
2 years later.
Very nice.
Ma'am, about.
Later, see, he is thrown out of the job. So about 2 years later, he tries to hire someone to beat up Mr. Rajan. The hired thug hid dash Mr. Rajan's car.
Inside.
And.
Hid inside, under, anything. Very good. Acha, inside only we'll have to do. Mr. Rajan's car, and when he opened the door, he hit him dash the head with an iron pipe.
On the
On
head.
On the head. Very
On
good. He
the-
hit on the head.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what does the first sentence mean?
See, this means that there was a person who was investigating something in the office. So he went to his, who had employed him? Mr. Rajan. Mr. Rajan is the owner of a company. He had employed him. Probably he was suspecting some of his people that they're not working for his company, they are against him. So he has probably hired a person, an investigator. So this investigator has done a lot of research and spying and detective findings. And then whatever he found with all the details, he went to whom? He went to his employer, the person who had employed him for this work. And what did he find in his findings? That there were three people, three very senior officers in his own office, Mr. Rajan's office, who were having a grudge on him, who did not like him. And they were actually against him, but they were working for him. So once this investigator gives the report to the person, Mr. Rajan, he throws these three people out of the job. And now one of these three people, he wants to take revenge. So he hires a man to beat up Mr. Rajan. So as soon as Mr. Rajan opens the door, then the thug, what does he do? The thug beats him on his head with what pipe?
Okay, ma'am.
With an iron pipe. So basically, he has hired somebody as an investigator. Okay. These are last 5 sentences. First, let's do this also. And then I'll give you time to write. Please start. Plan your answers, then I'll give you time to write. Don't worry. Yes, children, once you finish your exercise, just raise your hands so that I know your exercise is done. Please raise your hands. Harry. Give me the first answer.
Let off.
Okay. Second one.
Stick by.
With. With.
There are two answers, by and
With.
what is the third answer, children?
Relying on you.
Lying on.
What has happened to Chelsea today? So slow, you all are giving answers. Okay, the next one.
The winners played again.
Against.
Against.
I think the fifth one is not clear. We just have the fourth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hardly 2 minutes for the class, 3 minutes. I'm scrolling back to the first exercise. You'll be writing the answers now. Put on the heading in your notebooks, revision prepositions. What is the heading you will put? Revision prepositions. I'm going back to the first exercise. And you will be posting the answers for the first exercise first. Okay, hurry up. And once you're done with the first exercise, tell me, I will scroll down to the second exercise. And then you'll write the answers and post. It's better you start writing quickly and start posting. Only those students will be marked present who will post better. When you finish the first exercise, raise your hands so that I can scroll down. Only 4 students have raised their hands. Why others are writing so slowly? Hurry up, please. I'm scrolling down to the second exercise. You people will write the answers for the second exercise. Start writing answers for the second one, beta. And after 2 minutes, I'll automatically scroll down to the third one. Please hurry up because after 90 seconds or something, I'll show you the third exercise. Finish and post it on the group.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I'm posted.
If you are posted, you can leave the meeting. Hardly 30-40 seconds left for the class. Others also post on the group and then you can leave the meeting, beta. But make sure you do not go until you post on your class groups.
I'm posted.
All of you need not speak posted. You can quietly post and leave.
Ma'am, what's the answer for second?
All the 3 exercises, my child, you have to post on the group. Then you can
No,
leave the
ma'am,
meeting.
B.
No, ma'am, what?
The
The
answer
B
for
one
B.
question.
Have you posted the first exercise?
Yes, ma'am. First and second both.
First and second both. What about any issues in the third one?
Ma'am, the answer for the B sentence in exercise.
The fifth